Welcome to Outdoor Defense. My name is Nicole and I am here with a very special guest. This is Mr. Donald Hart. He is a Senior Instructor Trainer with Impact Personal Safety. He's been with Impact for over 20 years. He's one of the brave men that get into the fully padded suits so that us as instructors and students can strike full force in our realistic scenarios. He has also been a practitioner of martial arts for over 40 years. I am here with him today because I wanted him to address some of the concerns that followers and people that have come into my DMs or commented to me in real life about if an assailant is wearing a cup, if that is going to prevent an effective knee strike. And I know the answer to that, but I wanted Don to address that since he is a man and he would be one wearing a cup and he wears one quite often for class. I figured he would be the expert. So Don, what do you say to someone who says, well, if someone just wears a cup and they come to attack you, then a knee strike won't work?
Well, I'll address you mentioned in class. So when we teach full strike self-defense, I wear a athletic cup, and on top of that, I wear a 5-inch foam cup that's specially designed to take the blows that we're doing, the full force blows. So it's analogous to driving a car. If I'm driving a car without a seatbelt and I get into a crash, I'm gonna get hurt. I put on a seatbelt so that if I get in a crash, I'll be protected because I'm wearing a safety harness. But I don't want to get into a crash. And if I do get into a crash with a seatbelt, I am going to get injured, but less if I were not wearing a seatbelt. Same with the cup. If I'm wearing a cup and someone hits me full force in the groin, I'm going to be injured. I might not end up in the emergency room like I would without a cup, but I'm definitely going to be stunned, and it's something I don't want to occur. So, to think that you're protected by wearing a cup, I don't know many people who have practiced and said, I'm going to give that a try, because they know it's a foolish move.
So you would probably not want me to knee you in the groin right now, full force, even though you're wearing a cup?
No, since I know what it's like to get kneed full force with all my armor on, I know what it's like.
No! 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 So there you have it, the facts around wearing a cup and groin strike. So groin strike is still a very effective strike in self-defense. Again, self-defense is not about what you should do, it's about what you can do. So for the naysayers out there that try to instill fear in us by saying that, oh, someone can just be wearing a cup and then that won't be effective, that is not a true statement. And just know that a groin strike is effective, cup or no cup.